I analyzed 1.7 million listings all across America to find out which amenities actually make money on Airbnb. And what I discovered will shock you. I'm about to show you some amenities that are insanely profitable, but the ROI differences are absolutely mind-blowing. If you stick around till the end, I'll reveal an amenity that gives a 6,400% return on investment. That means for every dollar you spend, you get $64 back. And if your listing already has 4 or more of the amenities that I'm about to share, then drop a comment below and I'll hook you up with a free month inside B&B Tribe. Let's dive right in with amenity number 1, hot tubs. Most hosts assume that adding a hot tub to their property is a huge investment with uncertain returns. Well, I've got great news for you. In most cases, hot tubs provide an incredible 10x ROI. That means for every $100 you're spending on that hot tub, you're getting $10 back. Let me break down the numbers for you. The average Airbnb without a hot tub makes $3,700 per month, but properties with hot tubs, they make $6,400 per month. That's a $2,700 monthly increase, or $32,400 a year. Now, the average annual cost of a hot tub, including the initial purchase spread over its lifespan, plus maintenance, chemicals, repairs, and higher electricity bills, comes out to about $3,000 per year. That means you're making about $29,000 in profit every year from that hot tub. Now, hot tubs aren't for every property, and you still need to be strategic about it. The returns can vary significantly based on your market. For example, in colder markets like upstate New York, hot tubs tend to perform even better than the national average because they're highly sought after year-round. Whereas in warmer markets like Florida, Arizona, or Texas, the returns will be quite a bit lower since guests aren't typically searching for hot tubs in those markets. But overall, the data is clear. Hot tubs are an incredibly profitable investment for most properties. And that's exactly what we're going to explore today. Being strategic about what amenities you add to your Airbnb to maximize your returns. Hi, I'm James Fedek, co-author of Airbnb for Dummies and one of the world's leading short-term rental educators. Over my 8 years of hosting through every market cycle, I've personally managed dozens of listings while earning a full-time income myself and traveling the world full-time. I've been featured in some of the world's biggest publications and helped thousands of hosts to level up their hosting. Through B&B Mastery, I've helped over 800 hosts to optimize their business, plus helped over 700 people launch successful co-hosting careers. I'm here to help you with your short-term rental. Next up, let's talk about adding a gym to your property. This one really surprised me in terms of just how profitable it is. So much so that I added a gym to my property. So first off, a home gym is one of the least common amenities on our list today, with only about 11% of listings in the US having one. Considering how inexpensive and low maintenance gyms are compared to the return that they generate, you'd expect that to be way higher. Gyms actually give an insane ROI. For every dollar hosts spend, they typically see over $18 in return. Here's how it breaks down. The average Airbnb with a gym in America earns an extra $1,000 per month, or $12,000 annually. And the best part, the average annual cost for a small gym setup is only about $650 when you factor in the initial equipment spread across its lifespan, plus minimal maintenance. One of our B&B Tribe members actually added a home gym last year as well. She converted part of the entertainment room in her basement, just about 8 by 10 feet, into a simple gym space with a compact treadmill, adjustable dumbbells, and a workout bench. She spent just under $2,000 on the initial setup. Within 3 months, she noticed her bookings increasing, especially from business travelers who stay for longer periods. These guests specifically mentioned that the gym as a reason that they chose her place over her competitors. She was able to increase her nightly rate by about $15 and saw higher occupancy rates as well. And when you run the numbers, that $2,000 investment is generating $12,000 in additional revenue every single year. That's a payback period of just 2 months. Now, you don't need a massive space or fancy equipment. A small corner with some basic equipment works perfectly fine. Focus on versatile equipment like adjustable dumbbells, resistance bands, and maybe a cardio machine if you have the space. The key is to highlight this amenity in your listing photos and your description. Now, let's move on to our third amenity, cable TV. This might seem old school in the age of streaming, but the data doesn't lie. Cable TV offers a 1,680% return on investment. Surprised me too. The numbers show that Airbnbs without cable TV make around $3,900 monthly, while those with it make $5,300 per month. That's a $1,400 monthly difference, or almost $17,000 annually. The annual cost for decent TV cable service averages about $1,000 per year. So what's going on here? Why is cable TV so valuable when everyone's streaming? Well, there are a few reasons. First, not everyone wants to log into their streaming accounts on your TV. Second, local channels and live sports are still primarily accessed through cable. And third, it's just convenient. Guests don't have to figure anything out. They just turn on the TV and start watching. I'm not gonna lie, even I underestimated cable TV. I've never added it to many of my listings before, but seeing these numbers, that's about to change. Now, let's talk about another amenity that people ask me about all the time, pools. For years, I've been telling hosts that pools might not be worth the investment because of the high installation and maintenance costs. Well, turns out I was wrong. The reality is for every single dollar you invest in a pool, you're getting $5.22 back. The data shows that properties with pools typically earn about $2,000 more per month than their poolless competition. That's $24,000 each year. Now, and this is important, the average annual cost for a pool is about $4,600 when you factor in maintenance, chemicals, repairs, cleaning services, and of course, the initial installation spread over its lifespan. That means that you're making about $19,400 in profit every year from that pool. But just like with hot tubs, pools are a seasonal amenity. So it still may not be worth the investment if you live in an area where the pool will be closed for part of the year. I had a conversation with Kathy, another B&B tribe member, who learned this lesson the hard way. She invested in a property with a pool, thinking it would be the ultimate selling point. While bookings did increase, she quickly realized that the maintenance headaches and the cost could be pretty overwhelming. The pool had to be closed for almost half the year for winter, so the ROI just didn't really end up making sense in this particular instance. So remember, the returns can vary by market. If you're in a hot climate like Florida or Arizona, pools tend to be even more profitable because they're expected and heavily used all year round. In colder climates, the season is shorter, so your returns might be more moderate or even negative. And one more thing. If you are going to invest in a pool, you may want to consider something like a cowboy pool, which costs way less than a full-size in-ground pool to install and maintain while still delivering strong returns. Next, let's move on to wireless internet, which, as we all know, is basically essential for Airbnb today. As expected, high-speed wireless internet provides an excellent ROI of 1,500% to be exact. About $10,800 a year in additional earnings for just $720 in annual costs. What's interesting here, though, is that wireless internet used to be considered a premium amenity, but now it's essentially required. In fact, if you look at the listings by number, only about 100,000 listings specify not having wireless internet compared to 1.6 million I analyzed that do have it. The key here isn't just having internet, it's having good internet. Guests are working remotely, streaming movies, and video calling family members. They need reliable, fast connections. If you want to maximize this ROI, invest in a quality router, make sure you have enough bandwidth for multiple devices, and consider adding mesh network extenders if you have a larger property. Then be sure to list the internet speed in your listing description and mention that it's perfect for remote work. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the highest ROI amenity for Airbnbs today, EV chargers. This is the hidden gold mine that most hosts are completely overlooking. EV chargers provide an absolutely insane 6,400% ROI, meaning that for every dollar you invest, you're getting $64 back. In fact, properties with an EV charger earn roughly $1,600 more per month than their non-EV friendly competitors. That's $19,200 annually, and the average annual cost for an EV charger is just $300 when you spread the upfront investment over its expected lifetime. Let that sink in for a second. $300 in annual cost, generating $19,200 in additional revenue. That's absolutely insane. But it doesn't end there. With certain EV setups, you can even charge your guests directly for the added electricity that they use, which can turn what would be an expense into a whole other revenue stream. So why is this return so ridiculously high? First, there's growing demand as more people switch over to EVs. Second, there's extremely limited supply. Out of the 1.7 million listings I analyzed, only about 100,000 had EV chargers. That's less than 6% of the market, and by far the least common amenity that we found. If you add an EV charger, you immediately stand out from 94% of your competition. I can personally attest that anytime I travel and rent an EV, I exclusively look for listings with a charger because going to a charge point is just so much more of a hassle. Now, you don't need to go crazy with high-end Tesla wall connector, although that's certainly an option. Even a simple level 2 charger that works with all electric vehicles will do the trick. Just make sure to feature it prominently in your listing photos and title. So what does all this mean for you as a host? Let's talk strategy for a minute. The key takeaway here isn't just that all of these amenities are profitable. It's understanding how to prioritize your investment based on your specific property, your market, and your budget. First, consider your market and location. If you're in a ski town, a hot tub makes even more sense than the national average. If you're in a warm climate, pools perform exceptionally well. Second, think about your target guest. Are you mainly hosting families, business travelers, couples? Different guests value different amenities, and some will drive higher nightly rates than others. Third, consider combinations of amenities that can really create a compounding effect. For example, having both high-speed wireless internet and a dedicated workspace creates a perfect setup for remote workers, which can then increase your bookings even more than either amenity would individually. And fourth, look at your budget and timeline. EV chargers have the highest ROI by far, but gyms and cable TV also deliver incredible returns with much lower upfront investments. You might start with the low-cost, high ROI options first, then reinvest those profits into bigger amenities like hot tubs and pools. Inside B&B Tribe, we actually have a complete ROI calculator that helps you figure out exactly which amenities will give you the best return for your specific property and market. Our members use this tool to make data-driven decisions rather than guessing or following general advice. B&B Tribe members get access to our library of resources, our weekly community calls, our expert webinars, and a supportive community of fellow hosts to share ideas with. Plus, you'll get over $4,000 in instant perks and discounts on the best tools in the industry, which blows the ROI on any of this stuff out of the water because it's just $49 a month to join, and you can check it out using the link in the description down below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more data-backed strategies to improve your Airbnb business. And drop a comment below letting me know exactly which amenity surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.